Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk at Adventure Subaru, and today we're going to be going over your tire inflator kit in your vehicle, if it has one. For our demonstration today, we have a Forester Hybrid. This kit is only used as a temporary measure if a puncture occurs. You will need to drive the vehicle, if safe, to the nearest tire repair facility. When you do recognize that you do have a flat on one of your tires, you'll need to pull over to a safe location with the vehicle in park and apply the parking brake. The tire pressure monitor in your dash will indicate which tire on the vehicle is low. This inflation kit is designed only for small punctures in the tread. Any sidewall damage, this will not repair. Now, just as a reminder, the tread area of the tire will just be from about here to here in this range. Typically within the lines of the tread is ideal. Just a little bit farther outward may be okay for small punctures, but anything on this area of the sidewall, that will be not effective for this inflator kit. There will be a small little pamphlet giving you some instructions on how to use the equipment here. For this particular one, there is a bottle of sealant. Will actually be sliding and locking into the pump unit itself, and from which point this nozzle will be connected to the end of it, and this one will be connected to the valve stem on the tire. Simply, before connecting all of these, because this is a one-time use kit, this will all be connected and locked together. The pressure from the pump will push the sealant through the nozzle here, and that will be pushing that into the tire to inflate it and seal the puncture temporarily. There is an accessory port, a 12-volt accessory power port in the rear of the vehicle. Once it's fully seated, give it a little twist to make sure it's firmly in there, and then you can do a test of the pump to make sure it's on and working. It is recommended that the vehicle be on and running just to provide the sufficient amount of power that this pump will need to inflate the tire. For demonstration purposes, this will be our tire that we'll use as the example. This end here does extend outward from the cord inside. This will be plugged into the car. It does have a fairly long reach, and then this end will be screwed into the valve stem all the way seated, and then afterwards the pump will be turned on, at which case afterwards you'll see a gauge here that will give you an indication of how much pressure is in the tire. And inside of the door jamb of the vehicle here, you will see the recommended tire inflation value here. For the front, we have 33, and for the rear, we have 32. This information also displays the tire sizes if you need to have a replacement. Now, once the tire has been inflated with that sealant, it is recommended to drive the vehicle immediately to allow the proper dispersal of the fluid inside of the tire. Otherwise, if it does sit, it can just congeal in one spot and it will create a very bad vibration. So you'll want to drive on it immediately. That's all for today. If you have any further questions, give us a call or visit us online at adventuresubaru.com.